In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add emojis in Figma. Adding emojis to your Figma designs can bring a fresh burst of personality, enhance communication, and make your prototypes significantly more engaging. While Figma is incredibly powerful, it doesn't have a native built-in emoji picker. But don't worry, that's where Figma's robust plugin ecosystem comes into play. We're going to leverage a fantastic plugin to effortlessly integrate vibrant and even animated emojis into your projects. This process is straightforward and will open up a new world of creative expression within your designs. To begin, you'll want to navigate to your Figma canvas. The first step involves accessing Figma's plugin menu. To do this, simply right-click anywhere on your canvas where nothing is currently selected. This action will bring up a contextual menu with various options. Look for the Plugins option within this menu. Depending on your Figma version or recent activity, you might see plugins, or sometimes widgets, leading to plugins, or even a direct Browse Plugins option if you haven't used many recently. The key is to find the entry that allows you to manage or access plugins. Once you've located it, click on Plugins to proceed to the next step. If you don't immediately see the Animated Emojis plugin listed, don't fret. We'll cover how to find and install it if it's new to you. Once you've opened the Plugins submenu, you'll see a list of any plugins you've recently used or installed. For this tutorial, we're specifically looking for the Animated Emojis plugin. If you've used it before, it should appear in your recent plugins list. If this is your first time using it, or if it doesn't show up, you'll need to go to Find More Plugins or Browse Plugins at the bottom of the plugin menu. Click on that option, and then use the search bar to type in Animated Emojis. Once you find it, click on it to run the plugin. A dedicated modal window or panel will then open on your screen, presenting you with a delightful array of emoji options ready for use. This plugin offers a wide selection, making it easy to find just the right expression for your design. With the Animated Emojis plugin now open, you'll see a vast gallery of emojis. Take your time to browse through the collection. You might find them categorized, or you can use a search bar within the plugin window to quickly locate a specific emoji that fits your design concept. Whether you're looking for a simple smiley face, a celebratory icon, or something more specific to convey a mood, the plugin has you covered. Once you've found the perfect emoji, simply click on it. The plugin will then automatically place that emoji directly onto your Figma canvas at its default size and position. You can then treat this emoji just like any other object in Figma. Drag it to reposition it, scale it up or down to fit your layout, or even rotate it if needed. These animated emojis are typically imported as vector-based assets or high-quality images, meaning they maintain crispness and clarity even when resized. They will appear static on your canvas, but are designed to animate when viewed in a prototype or when exported to a format that supports animation.